Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for this repair. Make sure your Thermomix TM31 is unplugged before starting the process to ensure safety. First, locate the screws on the back panel of the Thermomix. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a small container so you don't lose them during the repair. Once the screws are removed, gently slide the back panel off. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the panel. Next, take a moment to clean the internal components of the Thermomix. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will not only help in the installation of the new panel but also ensures your device operates efficiently. Now, let's address the panel replacement. Take the new panel and align it with the connectors inside the Thermomix. If you find this process challenging or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the right support. Once the panel is aligned, press it firmly into place. It's important to ensure that all connections are secure. If you need assistance, our pickup and delivery service at your home makes it easy to get help without the hassle of calls or travel. After the new panel is secured, it's time to reattach the back panel. Again, align it carefully and replace all screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Ensure that each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening which can damage the panel. Once the screws are in place, give the Thermomix a gentle shake to ensure everything is secure. If you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test the new panel. Make sure all buttons are functioning correctly. If everything is in order, congratulations! You have successfully changed the panel on your Thermomix TM31. If you run into any complications, remember, we're here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.